Hello, welcome to yet another exciting episode of Positive Media from TAEGUS Gavel Club. Today we will be displaying our project on microgreens, a special project on this quarantine period.
If you are watching Positive Media for the first time, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and put a thumbs up. Please hit the notification to get an update on the latest views. Myself, Gavelier Anu Elsa Saji, a 6th grader from D. Jim's Millennium School, and my wonderful sister,
Angel Rose Saji, an 8th grader from the Millennium School, Dubai.
Today we will take you through this video on microgreens. For today's project, the plant that I have been working on is the monk bean. The monk bean, also known as the green gram, mash or moong, is a part of the legume family. The monk bean is mainly cultivated in Asia, Southeast Asia and the Indian subcontinent. Did you know that the 6th of January is National Bean Day? Interesting, right?
Plants are important for the planet and all living organisms. They absorb carbon dioxide and release oxygen, which is needed by plants and animals in order to breathe. Now let us come to the question. What are microgreens? Microgreens are tiny forms of young edible greens produced from vegetables and herbs. Now they range from the size 1 to 11 inches. There are many varieties of microgreens. They include coriander, broccoli, chickpea, pea shoots, etc. So another plant we have been working on is known as chickpea. The chickpea is an annual legume of family Rosaceae and subfamily Favoraceae. The chickpea is known by many names around the world. They include Bengal gram, garbanzo, Egyptian pea, chenna and chole. The chickpea seeds are rich in protein. Did you know that India is #1 leader in chickpea productions? Microgreens, the ultimate superfood. We can consume as such with salads, soup, fish, burgers, rice or make a smoothie and any kind of vegetarian and non-vegetarian salad rolls. We take this moment to thank Vijay sir and Minod sir for giving us this opportunity and encouraging us to do this video. It was very fascinating for us to watch these seeds grow up and become microgreens.
I hope you have enjoyed this session and we have thoroughly enjoyed it. We enjoyed working with these plants and we thank Vijay sir and Vinod sir for this wonderful opportunity again. And don't forget, stay home,
Stay safe.